Union Minister Anurag Thakur is with us since morning. We have been travelling along with him. So, sir, what is your feedback on this response? We have seen the people of Hamirpur, they have already come on the roads. So, what message you have got from it?
मुझे लगता है मुझे कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं. लोगों का जोश, उत्साह, उमंग ये दिखाता है कि कमर कसली है. घर घर जाने की, 1 तारीख को कमल का बटन दबाने की, 5वीं बार अनुराग ठाकुर को सांसद और मोदी जी की हैट्रिक लगा के सरकार बनाने की.
So the people, when we interacted with a lot of people, they were saying for the last 4 times you have worked a lot for the development project. Can you put a light on the development project which you have brought in here for the convenience of the people?
If you look at 10 years before, we didn't have much bigger projects. Today we have All India Institute of Medical Sciences worth rupees 1700 crore rupees. We have Medical College in Hamirpur and 300 bedded hospital worth rupees 300 crore rupees. We have the Extension Center of PGI worth rupees 500 crore rupees in Una. Apart than that, we have the mother and child hospitals being installed and established and the dialysis center in all the districts. Apart than that, we have the 2 medical colleges, Central University, Triple IT, NIT, Technical University, Career Point University, and also the Hydro Engineering College. Apart than 6 Kendriya Vidyalayas have been opened and 6 are in the pipeline. We have built thousands of crore rupees worth roads and a railway line from Una to Daulatpur Chowk, which I promised and fulfilled that. And many trains we have started from Una to various parts of the country.
Sir, what we have learned, one medical ambulance, that is also for the people convenience. How it is work and how you got this idea?
सांसद मोबाइल स्वास्थ्य सेवा मेरा एक प्रयास था, जन जन का कल्याण करने के लिए और उनका उपचार करने के लिए और मुफ्त में दवाइयाँ देने के लिए. तो हमने प्रयास किया. अब 30 गाड़ियाँ चलती हैं, 10 लाख लोगों का मुफ्त में जांच उपचार अब तक हुआ है, दवाइयाँ मुफ्त में मिली है. इसी तरह से 12,000 बच्चों को मुफ्त में शिक्षा मिलती है. 7,000 से ज़्यादा महिलाओं को प्रशिक्षण हुनर से शिखर तक पहुँचाने के लिए, अपनी आमदनी बढ़ाने के लिए दिया गया है. 1 लाख से ज़्यादा युवा सांसद खेल महाकुंभ में जुड़े हैं. ये वो प्रोग्राम है जो सरकार के बाहर के हैं, इसलिए जनता से सीधा जुड़ाव भी है और जनता का मुझसे लगाव भी है.
Sir, you have a wide experience. So what is about the country situation? How do you see the political situation in the country? Because you have been traveling from one state to another state for campaigning also.
I think country needs stability and continuity, and for that they need Prime Minister Modi government. Because globally Modi is the most popular leader and one of the most senior leaders. The way he has brought our economy from the 10th to the 5th largest economy, from the fragile 5 to the first 5, and also a lot of credit to give a corruption-free government. His government is known for good governance and development, and that is what I see in the country. My choice Modi, my choice Modi. That is the sound I hear in every nook and corner of.
Sir, my last question is to Kejriwal. Arvind Kejriwal has got a bail. So how do you see this development here? Do you think any impact on the politics?
That's a conditional bail. Nothing to be happy about. And he has to surrender on 2nd of June and he'll be sent back to the jail. Before that, he's been allowed to campaign, but with the caution that he can't go to his secretariat, CM office, he can't look at the files, he can't meet people concerned with the liquor scam. So, and he can't make a statement about the liquor scam also. So I think there's a lot of condition which has been put in place. Nothing to feel good about. Sonia Gandhi ji, Rahul Gandhi ji, Chidambaram ji and Lalu Prasad Yadav ji are also on bail but are also facing the corruption charges. So भ्रष्टाचार के मुकदमे चल रहे हैं. अंतरिम राहत राहुल गांधी जी, सोनिया गांधी जी, चिदम्बरम जी और लालू जी को भी है. उसी श्रेणी में केजरीवाल जी भी हैं. 2 तारीख को सरेंडर करना पड़ेगा, फिर जेल जाना पड़ेगा.
So how do you see the Congress also, sir? Congress, where do you see Congress? So well, we can see this is the.
कांग्रेस संघर्ष कर रही है 40 पार करने का और भाजपा 400 पार करके मोदी सरकार बनाएगी.
So well, this is the Union Minister who has already made it very clear the way he has done a lot of work for his constituency. This will definitely bring a lot of full results in the after the elections also, and he's quite confident. He says it seems the way the Congress has been fighting for just trying to establish in all over the country. With Vijay, Rajesh Kumar, this is Group Singh China for NDTV, Hamirpur, Himachal Pradesh.